Hello everyone, welcome to the Crowdwalker channel. I'm your host Crowdwalker and this is Ribla Studio. Now I'm just making this video to quickly tell you how to import your custom props into the Ribla Studio with working colors and textures. One way I found to be working is just downloading an OBJ file from Sketchfab.com. If you look at the screen right now, you see objects that are grayed out or in color. The one in color is from the Sketchfab, and the ones grayed out are from Blender and or Assetforge. They work just fine in Unity and or Unreal Engine, but it seems they have compatibility issue for Ribla Studio. About this working model, the maker said it's been made using the Google Blocks, and I'm not sure if it's Google Blocks that seems to work specially, or it will be just fine for any other models on the Sketchfab. Now, right now I have a limited internet connection, so downloading this model, which is quite small, but took about 2 days. And I might try other models, but I seem to have a hard time finding other OBJ files. They're mostly in GLTF or blend file or FBX at best. Now once I find any other model, and I will test them out and try and see if the Sketchfab add-on for Blender helps you to upload your own model and re-download it as an OBJ file. I hope I can find more information about how to use this Ribla Studio until the next update comes, and which I don't know when. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and have a good day or good night. Bye bye.